Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use FlipGrid. So FlipGrid is a completely free resource. It is easy for you as an instructor to use, and it's also easy for your students. Your students are all really comfortable using things like Snapchat and Instagram, and this is very similar to that. So first we're going to look for the FlipGrid educator sign up, all right? So you want to open up an educator dashboard. Remember when you do this to use your my.tccd.edu email. And the reason for that is because that is the same domain that the students will use. So you want to all use the same domain. So this is going to open up for me because I already have one. But once it opens up, you're going to have something that looks like this. All right. So you see that I already have the two that I use in the summer, and I've got one already set up for the fall. But we're going to go ahead and we are going to add a new grid. So all you do is you do add a new grid, you call it whatever. So for example, I will call this Ellie intro video. And we want to use school email. This is going to keep it private. So we're going to choose that. And then we want to make sure that the domain is my.tccd.edu. So that means that they will have to use that domain name to sign in, and so will you. So there we go. It's ready to go. So now I can either copy this link right here, or I can go directly to my grid and I can make some changes. All right. Oh, well, right now I see that I misspelled that. So I'm going to edit my grid and I'm going to say intro video. Is there anything else I want to say? Well, maybe I want to change this and I want to make it a little bit more snazzy. And I want to call this the elites intro. I could do that. We know we want it to be the school name. Everything else is good. We want it to be active. We want to receive my notifications daily. You can change this if you want to make it weekly. Every time you get a new video, you can do that. We want to make it ADA compliant, so we're going to do that. And then if I wanted to personalize it, I could put in whatever I wanted here. All right. So we're happy with it the way we are. We're going to say update the grid. And then for actions, right here, if there's anything different that you want to do, a co-pilot would mean if you wanted to add perhaps a different class or if you were doing a cohort. All right. Let's just look. It looks like it's good to me. So I would share it at this point. And then I would go into my class. So I'm just going to show you, this is my summer class. I've gone into discussion board and I've put the link in right here. So I'm telling the students exactly how to access it, and I tell them exactly what I want them to do. They will then click this link, and this is the student view. Now, if I wanted them to, maybe this wasn't going to be an intro video, maybe what I want them to do is I want them, to tell me about their summer. Like this is what I said. Tell me one positive thing that came out of being in quarantine. Watch mine for an example. If you would like to leave your own, I'm going to do this quick so I don't invade anyone's privacy. But see, I've made my own here, and you can do that. You can use this for a number of different things, whether you want to use this as your regular discussion board or your intro, or to explain how to do a problem or give an example. You can use this for many different things. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your facilitator.